check it out. I got a box in the mail. My hubby, Bubba Glitter, he purchased me a new nail drill. Yes. And I can't wait to open it with you guys. And I'm just so excited. Let me see if I can get this box open for you guys, because I want to share it with you all. I've had my drill for the past 5, almost 6 years, and it's time for an upgrade. So let's get into this unboxing here and check it out. So it came, look how it came, y'all. I mean, they boxed this up very well. I mean, they got all this little stuff. I mean, the box is full of these little styrofoam things, and so I gotta dig down in all this stuff to get my stuff out. So bear with me, y'all, because I'm just trying to make sure I get everything out. And this thing right here is a hook. And here I am. That's the foot pedal. Yes, this operates with a foot pedal. So I'm just checking, making sure I got everything. Now here it is. Pro Tool Super Flex Shaft. And look at it, y'all. It looks like a little pencil. And the box right here has the directions on the back. I'm going to leave the link to this product in my description box so you guys can go over and check it out. And here's my old girl right here. Oh, I love her. I've had her for so long. Can't y'all tell? Look at her. She's seen better days. She almost 6 years old now, I believe. But I mean, she's been there for me. She's a good drill if you're just starting out. This drill is what I would recommend. This one right here, no. Don't waste your money on this drill right here, okay? Because it's not worth the $9, $10 that you spend for it. If you're really interested in doing nails, don't get this drill. Look at, see, when I used it, it bounced all around on my nail. And I think I only used it for like a week or two. And then I got old girl right here. Yes, she's been faithful to me. I would highly recommend y'all to get one of those if you're just starting out. Or if you want to, go ahead and get this drill right here. I'm doing this review for you guys. And so I hope you all like this video, share it. If you're not subscribed, please consider doing so, and make sure to hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date on all my latest videos. And here it is. This is the actual motor, I guess. There it is, 30 RPMs. They have it packaged very well. It comes with directions here in the box. And here's some extra tools and bits. Well, not drill bits, but like some kind of screws or something. I don't know. It says low noise, but we're going to test it out. So stay tuned. I know this is going to be a lengthy video, but I want you all to see everything. I'm trying to be as detailed as possible, because this is not a cheap drill as far as I'm concerned. You know, you're spending $106, and that includes shipping if they don't go up on the price. But look, OMG, it's purple. And you know, guys, I love purple and pink. Yes. So I traded in my pink girl for a purple one. Now, check this out. Look at it. It's pretty long. The cord is pretty long, so you have flexibility with that. It's not the telephone cord type of cord. Check out the comparison, y'all. Look at the difference in the size. Look at that. This one right here, the pink one, is way bigger, it's heavier. This one is light, smaller, it's like a pencil. That's heavy, very heavy compared to this one. Okay, let's see what else we got to it. All right, so right here we got the foot pedal, okay? This only operates with a foot pedal, all right? And I believe it has forward and reverse. But yes, you have to use the foot pedal, and I'm a little nervous. My friend on YouTube, Baby Blue Nails 128, make sure to check her channel out. She recommended me to get this drill because I was very nervous to get a foot pedal. So here it is, and here's the little pieces here. You got to take these off. So let's see, you got to push this little button down to unscrew it. So I have to take this piece off. You take this, screw this piece off, and then you put the shaft or the wire to your pencil. I call it a pencil, and then you just screw it on. It's very simple. And here's the plug. It's a US plug, and the dealer I believe is in Georgia, so it's a US dealer. And here it is. You have to plug your drill into the foot pedal, and then you plug the foot pedal into the wall. All right, so I'm just taking the bit out, and I'm putting my medium bit in, and you twist it to unlock it and twist it back to lock it. Very simple. It's just like the little pink one that I showed you. And here is the hanger. Well, yeah, the hook right here to hang it on. This you have to hang up, and that did not come with it, so I had to order that separately, but from the same dealer. So here I'm just showing you where I drilled a hole in my table. There's the foot pedal. I'm just showing you the setup. Okay, so here we are. I'm going to use my practice hand here, and we're going to test this out. Okay, so this is gel and acrylic. So, and we got some Mylar in here, so let's see how good this nail file works. Let me turn it on. All right, so now all you gotta do is hit the foot pedal down here, and let's see how loud it is. Hear that? Whoa, boy, that thing is fast. It sounds like a power tool. All right, so I gotta get used to this foot pedal now. Let's see what happens here. Let me zoom in a little for y'all. All right, here we go. First time using it. Oh my goodness, check this out. And this is a medium bit. I'm not even using my coarse bit. Now, this is as fast as it'll go right here, y'all. Let's see what happens. Woo! Whoa! Holy smoke! Check that out! Look at that. If anybody knows of a good dust collector, let me know. But I'm not trying to spend a whole lot of money either. I'm a cheapskate. Let me change my bit up. So you just turn it, take it out, and now I'm gonna put my coarse bit on here. Let's see what happens. Boy, this right here is a game changer. Where has this been all my life? I love it already, y'all. All right, let's see what we can do with this. I'm gonna try to chop it off. Oh, look at that, like butter. Woo! Look at that. Holy mackerel. Oh my gosh. Where has this been all my life? Let's do some more. This is the coarse bit. Ladies, I will highly recommend this. I've never used the foot pedal before. It takes some getting used to. But look at this. Look at that. This is a game changer. This is awesome. And it's 30 RPMs. And I mean, look at that. Took that nail right off. Didn't even hesitate. Didn't even hesitate. Let's do this one. It's not bouncing all over the place. Let's see if we can knock this nail off. Woo, look at that. It ain't stopping. Look at that, going right on through. Holy mackerel. Lord, I don't know if I would actually do this on somebody's nail, but oh, look at this dust. Lord. So, my thoughts on this, I love it, y'all. This right here is a game changer. It's worth the money. Like, I paid $106. That included shipping and handling. And so, yes, I love this. This is awesome. Game changer right here. I wouldn't waste my money on none of those other drills. This right here, I mean, and look at this. It's just like a pencil, lightweight. I mean, you can't beat this. So I hope you guys found this video useful, and until next time, I'll be seeing y'all. Bye.